Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. English learning and cricket news. To learn English or for cricket news highlights, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today's video, Pakistan versus Australia highlighted video, will be giving to both teams. First of all, Pakistan batting highlights. Abdullah Shafiq scored 64 runs on 61 balls. Second, Imamul Haq scored 70 runs on 71 balls. Babar Azam scored 18 runs on 14 balls. Mohammad Rizwan scored 46 runs on 40 balls. Saud Shakil scored 30 runs in 31 balls. Iftikhar Ahmed scored 26 runs in 20 balls. Mohammad Nawaz scored 14 runs on 16 balls. Saman Mir scored 0 on 3 balls. Shaheen Shafiqi scored 10 on 18 balls. M. Stark take 1 wicket and J. Hazelwood take 1 wicket and P. Cummins take 2 wickets. Adam Zampa takes 4 wickets. Okay. So Australia batting highlights against Pakistan. M. Marsh scored 121 runs on 108 balls. G. Maxwell scored 0 runs on 1 ball. S. Smith scored 7 runs on 9 balls. M. Stoinis scored 21 runs on 24 balls. J. Inglis scored 13 runs in 9 balls. Labuschagne scored 8 balls in 12 runs, and P. Cummins scored 6 runs on 8 balls. P. Stark scored 2 runs in 3 balls. J. Hazelwood scored 0 runs in 1 ball. Zampa scored 1 runs on 1 ball. Shaheen Shafii gave 5 wickets and 3 Haris Rauf and 1 Usama Mir. So this is the highlight of Pakistan versus Australia. Australia won by 69 runs. So we hope you like our video. Then please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon. I need your support and I need your support. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Okay.